At the problem number 25, Ashik, Mizan, Anika and Ahona start a business with a total capital of 1,95,000 taka and had a profit of 26,500 taka. After end of the year, in the capital of that business, Ashik parts and Mizan parts equal to 2:3. Mizan's part is to Anika's part equal to 4:5, and Anika's part is to Ahona's part equal to 5:6. So number 1, determine the simple ratio of the capital. Now look, given that Anika's part and Mizan parts equal to 2:3 and Mizan's part and Anika's part equal to 4:5 and Anika's part is to Ahona's part equal to 5:6. Now look here, the Mizan's part and Mizan's part of 2 ratio. Here we see that the antecedent, the subsequent of the first ratio is 3 and the antecedent of the second ratio is 4. If we multiply 4 by this ratio, then we have 4 into 2 is to 3 into 4. This equal to 8 is to 12. And if we multiply 3 by this ratio, then it will be 4 into 3 is to 5 into 3. This equal to 12 is to 15. So we see that the Mizan's ratios are same for 2 ratios. Here is 12. So we see that Anika's part is 15. So it must be 15 for this ratio. So if we multiply by 3 this ratio, then we have 5 into 3 is to 6 into 3. This equal to 15 is to 18. So therefore the Anika is to Mizan is to Ashik is to Mizan is to Anika is to Ahona equal to 8 is to 12 is to, here is Mizan's part, so Anika's 15 is to 18. This is the simple ratio of these 4 ratios. So this is answer. Now determine the amount of the capital of each person in that business. So here the solution of 1. Solution 2, we have from 1. From 1, the sum of quantity of its ratios is, each ratio is 8 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18. This equal to 53. So given that the total capital is 1,95,000 টাকা. So given that the total capital equal to 1,95,000 টাকা. So here determine the amount of capital of the each person in that business. So the Mizan's capital, therefore the Ashik's capital Ashik's capital is equal to into 8/53 টাকা. This equal to this টাকা. Now the capital of Mizan's capital is into 12/53 টাকা. This equal to 95. The Mizan's capital is this টাকা. Okay, and the Anika's capital equal to 15/53. This equal to this টাকা. Okay, now and the Ohona's part, the Ohona's capital is equal to into 18/53 টাকা. This equal to এত টাকা. This is 66,222 into 42 টাকা approx answer. This is Ahona's capital. Look, number 3, 60% of the profit is invested in the business at the end of the year. If the remaining profit is dividend according to the capital ratio, then between Ohana and Ashik, who will get the greater amount of money? Look, the and had a profit of 26,500 taka after end of the year. So given that after end of the year had a profit of this equal to this taka, and here 60% of the profit is invested in the business at the end of the year. So invested this equal to 26,500 taka of 60%. This equal to this taka into 60 divided by 100. So this equal to 15,900 taka. So the remaining profit is 26,500 taka minus 15,900 taka. This equal to 10,600 taka. So now we have from 2 we know that the sum of the quantity of we know that the sum of the quantity of so the quantity of the ratio is 8 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 equal to 53. Here 8 is Ashik's ratios and Ashik's part, and 18 is Anika's part. So the Ashik's dividend is 10,600 taka into 8 by 53. This is Ashik's part. So here is this taka, and the Ahona's dividend is this taka. So we see that Ohana is greater than Ahona's dividend is greater than, see that Ahona's amount is greater than Ashik's amount. So therefore Ohana will get the greater amount so this equal to this equal to 2000 টাকা. This is answer. So therefore the owner will get the greater amount 2000 টাকা. I think all of you are understood this calculation.